にちは、皆さん。Ms.P です。Hello everyone. I hope all of you are safe and healthy. So, today I'm going to show you how to change the color scheme of your room by changing drapes and pillows. Actually, my technique is that I just change the color of drapes and pillows without painting walls, okay? And this time I showed you my technique in my dining room. So, please enjoy it! So, this is my original dining room, and the color scheme is black, white, green, and yellow. So now I'm gonna show you how to change the color scheme of your room without painting walls. And actually I love this white pad with a black chair like this. And now I change the color of drapes, pillows, a table runner, and chair pads like this, and it looks totally different, this room. And this is the power of colors. And actually red looks so pretty with the gray drapes. I really love it so much. Hi Nora, that's not good manner. You are on the table. It's so rude. You know, Nora? Oh my goodness. And this side looks like this with the red. It's so pretty. Now I change my curtains from gray to baby blue color, which is totally different. And also pillows and chair pads I change like this. It's so pretty, right? It's so pretty. And now you know how to change the color scheme of your room by changing the color of drapes, pillows, a table runner, and chair pads like this, and without painting walls. So it's super amazing. And now this side looks like this, and baby blue looks so pretty. Hi everyone, how was my technique? I hope you like it, and if you like my technique, please subscribe my channel. And also I show my technique in my living room. So please watch this video. So see you in the next video. Bye! Hi Nana! You are so cute. You're relaxing, honey? You're relaxing. You are so pretty. You are so cute. You're so adorable, honey. I love you.